Hello YouTube, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get a lot of money in like these type of games. It's really easy if you know how to do it. Certain games have a limit and they will like tell you like you can't do it, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you. All this is not like legit. Near the very beginning it was. Most of the time it never actually was, or like the very beginning. Well, I mean it was. Anyways, let's go ahead and get on to the tutorial. First, what you want to do is get everything set up. So, like, go in your settings. Once you do that, go to date and time. You want to make sure the automatic date and time, it'll be just like this, unless you've already set it. Turn it off, and you will set date, and scroll as far down as you can, or not all the way down if you don't want to. This might not work on all devices, but you just want to click OK when you have your date. Click a button to show all your games. Click into your game. Usually mine will like say like something happened. Alright, once you do that, you're gonna go back to your settings. And the way I do it is I just turn it back on, see it changes it back, and then enable it, and go back to your game. Most of the time it will work like that, but sometimes it won't, because I kind of forgot to put on managers. Alright, again, do your steps, just like this. Scroll down really far, if you want to. It will get you more money. You do that, back into your game. When you do this, go back to your settings. Change your time back to like a real high time. See, applications will show up. Saying like, yeah, your money is there and everything. I'm gonna click one of them. Boom. It's really easy. You can try it with your friends if you want. Just if you want. It's fairly easy, like I said. But yeah. And just for more proof, I'll go ahead and load it to another game. To show you it's real. Money Tree. Some game I have downloaded for some reason. And like this game, another example of it like trying to block you. Just like the normal game. Go to your settings. Change the date for very far down. Just like this. Set it to something. Go back to the game and see. Again, it tries blocking you. If you want to pause the video and try to read that, you can. And you go back, you do that. It will not show you an application for this one. So you just go to do it, and then, bam. 14 bill. Fairly easy. So, I hope this helps you in any way possible. And, yep, hope you enjoyed. See y'all in the next video.